Clinical Pharmacy Adherence Optimization Part 1. In this video, I'm going to talk about another topic, which is adherence optimization. I'm going to discuss definition and the scope of the problem. Non-adherence to medication is a serious public health issue. In addition, non-adherence might not be limited to medication. It could be non-adherence to lifestyle changes, such as exercise, weight loss, and smoking cessation. The rate of medication adherence is typically low in patients with chronic conditions, such as diabetes, hypertension, and cardiovascular diseases. What are the consequences of non-adherence? Medication non-adherence accounts for, first, more than 10% of all hospitalizations. Second, 23% of all nursing home admissions each year. Third, it is estimated that medication non-adherence costs the healthcare system approximately $100 billion a year. What are the factors affecting medication adherence? According to the World Health Organization, medication adherence is related to, first, social and economic factors, second, healthcare team and system factors, third, it might be related to disease characteristics, and it might be related to therapy, and might be related to patient factors. What are the adherence barriers? Most of the research on adherence has typically focused on barriers such as complex treatment regimens, frequent medication dosing, so the patient is not compliant with this frequency, or maybe the patient forgot to have the medication, or adverse drug effects which is not tolerated by the patient, lack of information how to take the medication and when, or maybe the patient has depression, and finally financial barriers, and this issue has been addressed recently. What are the common non-adherence errors? The patient might forget to have the drug, or might have the drug but at the wrong time, or might have incorrect medication, or incorrect dosage. The patient might have too much dose or low dose, or the patient might discontinue the drug early, or not to fill the prescription, or not to refill the prescription, or the patient might have double dose in case of missing another dose, or the patient might combine the drug with inappropriate food or beverages. There are certain factors we have to consider. First, more than 125,000 Americans die each year due to the prescription medication non-adherence. It is twice the number killed in car accidents. Second, everyday prescription non-adherence costs more than $270 million in addition to hospitalization and other medical costs. Third, 90% of outpatients are taking prescribed medication improperly, contributing to prolonged or additional illness. Fourth, people who miss doses need 3 times as many doctor visits as others and face increased medical costs. Fifth, almost 60% of the prescription medication non-adherence problems could be prevented by improving adherence. During the next video, I will talk about the ways to optimize adherence. Thank you and wish you a good luck.